Now we will see other use case of parameter, dynamic dimension, and dynamic measure. So how would we proceed? Basically, I'll make it measure dynamic first. Okay, so let's create a parameter first, and we will name it as measure para, and I'll make it string, and I'll provide a list that let I want sales and profit. Okay, so we have created the measure para. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll create a calculate field and I will use this parameter inside my calculated field. I will name it as select measure, and if my measure parameter is sales, then sales, else profit. And okay, so now what I'll do is I'll put this select measure here. Okay, and show parameter. Now this is coming for sales, and now it's changed for the profit. Okay, so one more thing I'll do, to make it more obvious, I'll put here this parameter in order to show bit on which measure we are working on. Okay, select, I think I choose the wrong field, not select. We need to add the parameter, that is a measure parameter. Okay, you can see profit is coming and sales is coming. Okay, now what I'll do, now I'll create the same thing for the dimension. Let's take customer name and segment. Okay, create parameter, we will name it a dim para, and we want string parameter in order to select our dimension and customer. Okay, and segment. You can put many more dimensions that you want. I just want to show you the use case of parameter, so I'm taking only two, customer and segment. Okay, now click OK. Now I'll repeat the same process, create a calculated field saying select dim, and the same thing I repeat if my parameter is customer, then customer name, else segment. But the one thing keep in mind, this is case sensitive, so always put the right value in the right format, always keep in mind. Okay, so this is done. Now what we'll do, we will replace this dimension with my field. Okay, so, and I'll click on the right click and I'll show this parameter. Currently on this is customer, and for the surety I'll put the dimension name here. Where is the dimension parameter? And it is, so you can see this is customer dimension and measure for sales. So I'm selecting segment. There are 3 segments you can see. Okay, customer, corporate, and you can see for both profit and sales. Okay, and even you can highlight the category, but this is not making any sense here. I'm removing it. Okay, yes, thank you so much.